Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you a quick and really useful trick. How to display pipe support parameters directly on isometric drawings using the support reference function of my Smart Support app. So first, I will create a simple example. I draw a DN150 pipe and place 3 hangers on it. Then I just tweak their lengths a bit so they are not identical. Now I generate a quick ISO. As you can see, all the supports look exactly the same, even though they clearly have different lengths. So the information is there. It is just not shown. Let's fix this. First step. We need to enable the reference field on the ISO. Go to your project folder, then into the isometric folder and open your ISO style folder. In this example, final A3. Inside that folder, open the ATR file with a simple text editor. At the bottom, you will see a list of available fields. Just add a reference to that list and save the file. Next, open the isoconfig XML file. Scroll down to the support annotations section. It's somewhere around the line 1500. Here, change the field to reference and set the leader style to as needed. At least this is my preferred setting for the leaders. Save this file as well. Now let's quickly test it. Just type something manually into the support reference field and let's regenerate the ISO. As you can see, the text appears next to the support, so our settings in the ISO config file and in the ATR file are working. Also, if you use \p in the text, that creates a new line, so you can actually display multiple rows of information in the reference field. Now comes the smart part. Instead of typing everything manually, we can automate this using the Smart Support reference command. This command uses a file called reference.txt. You can use your own txt as well. Let's open that. Each line in this file is basically one rule. It defines which supports it applies to, what formula to use, and what name to display for the calculated value. Let's keep it simple. I will remove the existing rules and add 2 new ones. First, formula is C, name is C as well, and it will apply to every support because it has a wildcard for the name. Second, formula L, and let's put rod length to the name and save this file as well. Now let's run the support reference command. What happens is the app reads all support parameters, calculates the values based on the formulas, and automatically fills the reference field. It also inserts a line break between all the calculated values. So now the reference fields for all the supports, all the selected supports are filled up. Let's finally regenerate the ISO. As you can see now, C and the rod length, as we named it, are displayed for each support with the correct calculated values. And that's it. A simple but very powerful way to show custom support data directly on the ISO drawings. I hope you liked this video. See you until the next one.